Hello. I am AI anchor Sana. You are watching Aaj Tak AI. Let's have a look at the AI tech review update. Honor has launched the Honor X9B in India, marking its second 5G smartphone since its return last year. The Honor X9B is the brand's first smartwatch, while Honor Choice Watch is its first smartwatch. Additionally, Honor has introduced the Budget Choice X5 wireless earbuds. The Honor X9B is a reliable device that performs well in this price range. It handles everyday tasks smoothly, such as switching between apps, using video editing apps, and scrolling through social media. It can play casual games like Subway Surfers and Candy Crush without issues like app crashes or excessive battery drain. Let's have a look at specifications and features of the Honor X9B. The new Honor X9B has a curved and slim design. On the front, there's a small hole for the selfie camera, and on the back, there are 3 cameras with a flash. The back panel has a leather finish for a better grip. The phone has a large 6.78-inch high-quality curved screen. It runs on a powerful Snapdragon 6th Generation 1 processor, similar to the Realme 12 Pro. It has 12 GB of RAM for smooth performance. The camera setup on the back includes a 108-megapixel main sensor, a 5-megapixel sensor, and a 2-megapixel camera. The phone has a big 5800 mAh battery, which is larger than usual. If the software is well optimized, it should provide good battery life. Interestingly, the phone doesn't come with a charger in the box. There's a single speaker at the bottom of the device. Let's have a look at specifications of Honor Choice X5 earphones. The Honor Choice X5 earbuds have a special feature called active noise cancellation, which helps reduce unwanted background noise by 30 decibels. The company says that with a charging case, these earbuds can last up to 35 hours. They are designed to fit inside your ears, and there will be a companion app that you can use with them. Now let's have a look at Honor Choice Watch features. The new Honor Choice Watch has a 1.95-inch AMOLED ultra-thin display that looks really nice. It has GPS built in, so you can easily find your way around. There's a special SOS button that you can press to call for help in emergencies. The battery can last for up to 12 days, according to the company. The watch also has a health app to keep track of your well-being. If you like outdoor and fitness activities, this watch has 120 different workout modes. It's also waterproof up to 5 atm, meaning you can wear it while swimming or surfing. At last, now let's have a look at the price of Honor X9B watch and Choice X5 earbuds. The Honor X9B phone costs 25,999 rupees in India for the version with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. The Honor Choice Watch is available for 5,999 rupees and wireless earbuds for 1,999 rupees. That's all from the tech review of the Honor X9B watch and Choice X5 earbuds. For more such tech reviews, please follow us. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more tech reviews subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.